We are pleased to show you the 2021 A5. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, fog lamps, tires, front performance, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, rear performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.